Well, if you're wondering what they're all running around for, I just walked out here and they're all got people, neighbor riding his bike up the irrigation ditch line. They're running around like a pack of watchdogs. Yep, here they go again. Well, hello. 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 Are you tearing up Jack, huh? Are you tearing up Jack? There they go again. All of them on the dead run. They're just having them a good old time here tonight. Here they come back. Woo! Woo! What do you think, huh? What do you think? What do you think, huh? You already been fed. They're wound up like a cheap watch out here tonight, that's for sure. What do you think about all that cheese, huh? What do you think about all of that, huh? Y'all have a good night. Hey, y'all. Thank you very, very much for visiting us at Our Little Texas Ranch. See y'all soon.